Mike, say it, 2 large blizzards.
2 large blizzards, let's go. You should time it, see how long it takes you to finish it.
Well, the film's timing, it starts at 8 seconds, so
right,
now let's see. 11 seconds starts it.
Oh my god, you are crazy, man. Keep going, man. All the way. All the way. Hopefully I don't jam myself. This is tasty and all, but where it go? Yeah, you know what? Thanks.
Dude, you really should have gotten napkins, Mike.
It's man versus blizzard. I might have to sacrifice that for you. Why give up and love that?
I'm not eating that. I'll have some of it. I'm throwing most of it away.
What?
Wait, which one is that? Is that the Chocolate Extreme or the Georgia Mud?
Georgia Mud.
That you're eating now?
This is so fucking thick.
No shit. It's mostly air.
Once again, guys, I'm done after this. This is my last badass challenge ever. I'm retiring. I'll take a picture of this shit for you guys after and include in the video. Almost halfway gone.
Halfway gone my ass.
Woo, the brain freeze is real. I might shit myself. I have a 30-minute time limit. Oh.
Over halfway.
Oh wow, time to feel it. This is not bad. Wow. Almost. Where'd you get? Oh shit.
Hey, it's Ellie checking in with you on Reality Bites.
Come on.
You think you'll be able to do the second one?
Easily.
This one is billed as an illusory adventure of impossible architecture and forgiveness. What exactly does that mean? Hit up the App Store to check out this beautifully crafted game and find out. Up next, FTL, Faster Than Light, are new rave reviews with a Metascore of 9.
I think I can do it first.
Controls of spacecraft in this.
Yeah, well, the problem is you don't have money for that.
I'll get 3 burgers.
What? 3 burgers?
Metascore of 90, large viewers. Take arms as a sword-wielding spider
First one down.
Whoa. Alright, here goes the second.
Second blizzard, guys. Number 2. 2. Some gas. Ah. Oh, God. Doesn't got appetite. Oh, look at this. It's like mine. Oh, it's a wall.
That's the chocolate extreme, Mike. That's the fattest one there is.
Let's go. I'm on my second largest blizzard in a row. I feel like you're just saying mud.
She's finally met the inspiration behind her biggest hit. Here she is with former Kansas City Royal.
This might not be possible.
The old National Geographic photo.
If you don't finish this, we're gonna have to put this on YouTube as epic fail.
I'm gonna run full. I'm pushing myself.
You're watching RNG.
It's just too much chocolate.
Are you giving up?
Man, you really feel it. After the first blizzard, you feel good. Take one by the second. Oh, all the chocolate gets you. I don't know, guys. I'm the stereotypical American who gets to say that fuck. Oh man. I knew this would be hard, but oh man, this is good, like oh man. Look at me in the air.
You basically are, Mike. Most of that, the reason that ice cream's so thick is it's filled with air. It's not ice cream.
Look, it's cold air.
It is, Mike. They fill it with air to make it look like they're giving you more ice cream than they are.
Oh.
They inflate the ice cream.
Oh man, sick. That's like a shit. YouTube, come with me.
Oh my god.
Oh. 2 blizzards. 1 man. I don't know if this is possible. If it is, you're gonna be shitting on the toilet for a week. I give up. It's over. 1 blizzard gone, but the second one, that's impossible.
Cut.